milliseconds to your seconds. How about if you're given the opposite? If you have 145 seconds, how do I change this to my minutes and seconds? Okay, so what you can do, if let's say you're not very good with your division, is you can list down your multiples of 60 first. Okay, how do I label down? Sorry, how do I list down my multiples of 60? You put your multiples of 6 first. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 60. Then put zeros at the back. Okay, so this is one trick if you're not very good at your conversion. List down your multiples of 6, put zeros at the back to get your multiples of 60. Now, you look at the number 145 seconds. Out of the list of multiples of 60 you listed down, look for the number closest to your 145. You must make sure the numbers doesn't exceed. It's not bigger than 145. Okay, so if I look at my list, I can see that the closest is 120. The closest number is smaller than my 145, which means that you have 2 minutes. Remember, every 1 minute is 60 seconds. So I have 2 60s. 60 plus 60, 120. Then how do you find the remainder? Okay, so I take my 145 minus my 120. You get your 25. That's how I get my 25 seconds here. So 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay. Now for part E, you have 3, 4, 1. So let's go back to our list. Look for the number closest to your 3, 4, 1. That will be 300. So 300 is how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes. Okay. So if I want to present my working, 3, 4, 1 equals to 5 60s, 60, 60, 60, 60, and 60. Correct, 5 groups of 60s give us my 300 minutes. So this is my 300 minutes. Then I find my 41. How? 3, 4, 1. I minus my 300. Sorry, 300 seconds, not 300 minutes. Okay, this is 300 seconds. So this is 300. So you get your 41 seconds. So 300 is your 5 minutes and your 41 seconds. Okay, so you can list this down at the side.